My viewers, my subscriber is this time, as you can see here, Stellar XLM is completely on the profit, and definitely people are starting investing. The market cap is increasing, so Stellar XLM has blooms off and completely go to the moon now. This is very nice explosion, my friend. As you can see here, Stellar XLM in last 7 days, my friend. But don't worry, my friend, absolutely the more and more huge pumps is coming soon. Don't worry. If you miss this chance, please take a risk and get a profit, my friend. Just and only invest now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time Stellar XLM will pumps up. Let's get start the brand video. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and after that, please research personally. But just and only, my friend, watch this video. This is very important for you, my friend. Absolutely, you can see here these line. I am going to explain you to what is this and what I do, my friend. So kindly holder, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, the first line, as you can see here, touch the highest point, and the second line is the resistance line, and third line touch the lowest point. So these three lines, my friend, is completely show the prediction. My friend, you can see here, first of all, they were moving in these two lines, so definitely if they will never fail stop from resistance line, so this is completely on the profit. But if they will fail stop from resistance line, so they are starting losing. So therefore, don't worry, my friend, they will never lost for a very long time, my friend. Absolutely, they will completely on the profit in 7.39%. They will get a profit just in only in last 7 days. So I think it's not a short profit. Absolutely, it's a very good profit. And I'm 100% sure to upcoming time also they will take a very huge pump and they will completely get a profit now. So therefore, my prediction is 100% going positive, and my opinion is absolutely for all of you to please hold down. I hope if you are hold, so I hope my friends to Stellar XLM will give you a profit. So the very huge pumps is coming soon, but after the mid of month, especially, my friend, in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will pump up. So therefore, I hope the Stellar XLM will also, my friends, get a very huge profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope you will better understand. Please, if you understand now, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of videos. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.